Okay. Reese is gonna stay in there because he's cold and it is rainy. And I bought this 2000 Lincoln Town Car Signature Series. It's needs a little work on the rear airbags aren't holding, and this top needs a little bit of TLC, a lot of bit of TLC. It's kind of got this nice camouflage, but we're gonna see if I can't hose that down, spray it off. I'll try a small area first, otherwise we'll see what it takes to dye something like that. Anyway, it's got 100,000 miles, and interior is nice and clean. I mean, inside it's got all the stuff. It even has ooh, I ran the fixed, and it didn't have any codes. There was one code and that cleared. It was a stored code, and I cleared the engine light, and that was all good. So actually, yeah, we'll just heat works. I'm pretty sure the AC works. I mean, it's cold out, so it's a tough call. But yeah, I think it accelerates good. It stops good. Again, it's really clean inside. So the funny thing is with this car is what I was looking for was something that, you know, like this. It's reliable. It'll last me a really long time with maintenance. It's comfortable, large, and not a collector thing that I don't want to not drive. Like the Riata, you know, because it's rare, I don't want to just drive it all the time. Plus it's 2-seat, so you know, not the best option for you know, for drives, long drives. And I was looking, my budget was like gonna be maybe 7,000, but I have a really hard time spending more than 4. And I will be honest, I didn't spend 4 on this. So all right, highway speeds. Riata sure is sharp, I tell ya. How's it going?
I'm enjoying it.
All right, I'll get behind you though. Don't worry about it. So. Let's take a look at the underside of this. Start with very solid rocker panels, and frame rails are good. Let's turn this thing this way a little bit. These floors are incredible. Right, back here, same thing, just ultra clean. I mean, Nice. Just amazing. Like, where the hell was this thing? This looks like, I'm guessing that's diff fluid. I'll spray this down with brake clean. So these do look old. They don't look like they've been replaced. I do hear the compressor running, so I think that the compressor is fine, but I don't know if these aren't working, how that, anyway. Why would the compressor stop running if they're not filling up? But again, I don't know enough about the system, so. All right, we're gonna clean this top here. Got some Dawn. Cindy said I should throw some ammonia in it. Got a couple of really soft bristle brushes. Went over to the horse section at the farm and implement store. Let's just do a quick walk around. So I do have to be careful because it's clearly a little bit soft in some areas. So the Resolve spot and stain cleaner actually seems to be, so I did this area, so I took all that tree pollen crap off, and this is actually looking a little bit more even. I mean, it's still gross, but it's not like orangey, and I don't know if this is lightening up at all, but I can see this is definitely thin. I think people have tried cleaning this before. So I'm going to try a couple more things, mold killer and deodorizer, and maybe on a small spot. So this classic, toilet bowl cleaner actually is like soap and like bleach in it. So I'm going to try that in one small area just to see what happens. I do notice, like, if I actually sit and rub little black marks off, you know, and the green kind of comes off, but I don't really think I want to do that. I don't know if I can get down below that black shit. Jinxie, meow. I think it looks better, but it's not. Obviously, this stuff, well, it's looser, so maybe that'll just kind of work its way off, because it seems like it's not so stuck on there. Maybe I should just come back later and try again. No, I'm too already cold and wet for that. So, all right, we'll come back to this. Now here it is now when it's dry. I think being out in the sun a lot has helped it quite a bit. It seems to be just kind of fading and drying off. Like this stuff you can kind of just rub off. See, it's just kind of, so I definitely need to be able to get in there and clean that out before I dye it up. But it's not looking too bad again when it's dry. Especially on the sides. Not many people are seeing the top anyway, but looks all right. Wet is a whole nother case though. So here it is in the rain. It's a bit better. Still looks like camouflage, but not so many different colors. It's mostly just the splotches.